Hi, I'm Dr. Roos. This is for the welcome video for the Bio 2 lab, and I'm not going to be your instructor. The your instructor is Ms. Browning. Emily, she's going to get married in March, but I guess she wanted to add her hyphen at the beginning of the semester. Anyway, if you have any questions, right, about quizzes or practicals, then she's the person to talk to. She set up the policy and this shell, right? This is the website for the lab. And then, right, you have a separate website for the class. I would assume you guys understand that at this point. I'm going to make another video about the class. For a welcome video, it'll be like a start here thing. You'll see that it'll be posted there. I've got a new dog, and she's only 5 months old right now. She's outside. She may be joining us though for the video. You get a look at her. Anyway, so the first thing I wanted to say is that in order to complete the lab, right, you're going to have 5 points, like 60 points out of your 300 points of the lab are going to come from completing virtual labs, right? There's no in-person lab for this class. So, right, you have to have the Connect access, which you purchase. I think it was $85. I'm not sure if it went up. But don't purchase it, if you haven't purchased it yet, make sure you do, right? You're gonna, February 1st, right here, are this virtual labs, right, due, right? The safety virtual labs due, and then this, so there's 3. You complete those 3 labs by that date, and you get 5 points in the lab section, right? So I just want to make that clear. Don't tell me a month in that you didn't know about the Connect, right? You need to, when you sign up for the class, it says it requires the Connect part, right? So this is part of the class. Now, in order to get to it, what I did was, if you, on the home page, right, we might just pin this, pin this announcement, right, that gives you the Connect, right? I suppose you'd bookmark it at some point. If you have any questions about Connect, right, you would contact them, right? We can't help you if there's issues that you're having, or you're not sure how to, move things around with your mouse, right? Call them up. Anyway, and then if you had any questions about Falcon Online, which means, right, how to complete quizzes or the practical or open things up or upload things and stuff like that, then you contact Falcon Online for that help, okay? Same thing with the class, right? I can't help you with, if you have issues with any computer problem, you need to contact the Falcon Online help. Now you'll notice what she likes to do is use Thursday as a due date. So all these February 8th, February 1st, February 15th for the virtual labs are due dates on a Thursday. All my due dates in the class are Sunday, but it's different for the lab. So when you complete quizzes online, the due date will be a Thursday, right? February 8th. I'm pretty sure that's how she set this up. April 11th. There's only 4 quizzes, and then there's 2 practicals that you complete online. All right. And she has a policy about, there not being any makeup. So that's her policy. I have a slightly different policy about that, but so anyway, I just wanted to make this video quick to give you a rundown of what to kind of expect, for the labs. Like I'll have this video posted in this announcement, I think, when you go to see it. And then there's a virtual lab checklist. So a checklist, just all the assignments. I'm not sure if she includes quizzes. You could use that to check off if you want. Each week she'll make an announcement. If you look over here under the calendar, right, the These are when the quizzes are due, the virtual 2, the safety, ubiquity. So she's added, they're included in the lab. They're also found on the checklist. Okay, so she's, this is Mia, and she just came in from being outside. So I thought I would just let her know. She likes to sit here when I'm doing things on the desk. Good girl. Yeah. Now, why don't you go do something? Okay, so as I was saying, right, you can use this, and every week she'll make, she'll have an announcement, 14th week, 13th week. So this is a list of all the announcements. She's already done that. So the first week it'll say watch, right? And then the second week, continue working on the 3 virtual labs that are due February 1st. So each week you'll get, and as long as you read the announcements at least once a week, you can actually, if you wanted to, work ahead. All these virtual labs are open now, January 16th. So you can complete them at whenever you'd like, right? You can get them done ahead of time. Good girl. And so I guess I think that's about it, wanted to make sure you understood. This is the syllabus. If you click, now they've changed it, right, for us. If you click on this tab here on the top, that gives you to the syllabus for the lab. There's one for the class, there's one for the lab. So, you could read these things over if you'd like. Good girl. But you get 300 points for the lab. When you're complete, here's the lab schedule. That's posted in the syllabus. I don't know if she'll have that in the content section. Right, all the virtual labs, and then the quizzes are listed here as well. I don't know if you need to have that, but if you're kind of person that likes to have the schedule, there it is. And I might put that in the content section too, so you have it after I do this video. So anyway, like I say, the other thing I want to emphasize is she's not good about makeup. So if you miss it on Thursday, don't expect to get the virtual lab points that you earn, right? It's 5 points for each time. You might complete 2, 3, 4, or 5 virtual labs to get those 5 points, but you complete them all. And how she does that, you'll just have to ask her for specifics. Okay, so anyway, that's about it. Be sure you watch my video for the class too. Okay, good luck.